Hello and welcome to Keep Sales. In this video, we will be looking at how to discount items. Now there's a video where we looked at how to discount items during a transaction. You can go and check that video out. We mentioned in that particular video that you can discount an item at the point of sale. That is right when the customer is buying your product, or you can discount an item before any transaction is made in anticipation for sales. Now that second feature is mostly useful for retailers who have promos during certain periods or seasons of the year. Now this particular video will look at how to discount items as a setting, especially for promos, etc. Okay, so let's get right into it. We click on main menu. Okay, let's get this away. Click on main menu, and on the main menu click on transactions and sales. Let's scroll down. Okay, so under transactions and sale you see a feature called discounts and promos. Okay, so we click on discounts and promos. Okay, so this is the discount page. Okay, you see manage all discounts. This is where you are able to comprehensively manage all discounts on Keep Sales. Okay, so first we want to create a discount. Okay, so to do that you come to your right side to the create and edit promo section. Okay, so under that you realize that we have the discount type, we have the discount value, and then the scope. Okay, these have been explained in the other video, and then I'll go over it again in this video. What it means is a discount type is basically two types. We have the fixed discount type or the percentage. Okay, so what it means is that you want to discount the item either as a fixed value or by a percentage. Okay, so you can either choose any one of them as a fixed value or a percentage. Now when you have selected any one of them, then you have to enter the value. So what that means is that that value is that particular discount type. So let's say you enter you have to enter the value here. So let's say we enter 20. Now 20 means, so what it means is that 20 under the discount type fixed means that the item will be discounted by the software automatically deducting 20 from the retail price. Or if we decide to use the percentage, then what it means is that the item will be discounted by 20%. Okay, that's if you maintain the discount value of 20. You can choose whatever value that you want. Then when you come to the scope, that is you want to look at how broad you want the discount to be applied to all the products. So we have apply to selected items, and then we have apply across entire inventory. Okay, so apply to selected items means, so this is relevant. So let's come over to our left. We see a table which displays product. Okay, we have products, and then there are details displayed over here. Okay, so when we want to apply discount to selected items, it means that we'll have to select the products. This area has all the products that we have on Keep Sales. So you can select the items by clicking inside the box at the extreme end of the item on the row. Okay, so you can select these items. Okay, and then under the scope apply to selected items, it means that these are the only items that the 20% which we have selected here is going to be applied to. Okay, you can also search for the product, or we'll go into all that later. So let's try that. So let's apply. Okay, so it says it's been successful. So when we refresh, okay, we will notice that the discount has been applied. Okay, so let me take some time to explain what we see in on this table, or in this table, sorry. Okay, so we have the product name. Under the product name we have all the names of the products that we have on Keep Sales, and then the batch numbers are displayed. You can see the available stock for all the products. Then you can also see the retail prices for all those products. Then we have what we call the DC status. The DC status is basically the discount status. So it's basically two status types. You have the active status, and then we have the inactive status. So the active status means that for that particular product, we can sell at that particular discount. So anytime you go on new transaction and then you are selling to a customer, when you select that particular item and then you click on sell, either with receipt, or you schedule delivery, or you sell with no receipt, or you sell on credit, okay, any of them that you click, automatically the discounts will be automatically the product would be discounted by the, and then over here we see the DC value. Okay, so to be discounted by the discount value that is stated over there, that is what we chose. So if it's 20% off, the product item will be discounted by 20%. If it's a value like we see here, okay, you see the currency, okay, and then the value as well. Okay, it means that it gets discounted at this particular value. Okay, so that is that for the table. Now with the table, like I said, you can search for a product. Okay, so if you want to create a discount, you first have to identify the product that you want to discount. Okay, so you can search for the product that you want to discount. You can just enter type in the product and then you search for it, or you can, yes, so basically that when you click on see all, it takes you back, it displays all the products back for you again. Now to search, there's another way to also search for products. Okay, apart from just typing in the products individually, you can also filter the product. When you click on filter, okay, you can either filter by department or you can filter by current status. Okay, so if you decide to filter by department, let's say we choose clothing, you click on apply filter, okay, and then you realize that all the products that are displayed here are products that we have categorized under clothing, the department clothing. Okay, so the moment it gets here, then you can select all the items that you'd want to put discount on, and then you create you choose a discount type, and then you enter in a discount value, and then you click on apply and activate promo. Okay, you can also, again, like I said, filter by current status. Okay, so you can look at all products that are active. Okay, we explain what active products and disabled products are. Active products means the products that are available that can be sold on Keepsales. Disabled products are products you wouldn't want to sell. They are on shelf, okay, but then they are not, you cannot sell on Keepsales, okay, for whatever reason that is available for the shop. Now you can also look at all items that are out of stock or expired, so we can filter any of them as well. So when you choose any of them, you click on apply filter to give you exactly. Okay, so that is that. Okay, so that is all for filter. Let's click on see all. Okay, now we move on to the next feature, which is remove discount. Okay, so since you are able to create discounts on Keepsales, you are able to remove discounts as well. To be able to do that, you have to select the product that you want to remove the discount of. Okay, so let's just say first, let's try this. Let's filter by department. We click on apply. Okay, so we already have two products that are discounted. Let's say we want to add these three as well. Okay, so we select a discount type, let's say a percentage, and then a discount value of, let's say, 30. Okay, apply selected items. Okay, so we click on apply and activate promo, and then it's done. So we click on refresh, and then you realize that the DC status changes to active, and then the DC value also changes to 30%, 30% off, 30% off. Okay, so that is out of the way. Now we want to remove the discounts. Let's say the Christmas season is over, or that particular season is over, and you want to reset it back to the original retail prices. So you just select these items by clicking, checking the boxes. So you click inside the boxes to check them. Okay, so we have this as well. Okay, after you have selected these, okay, whichever products that you want to remove the discount off, you click on remove discount. Okay, so it says it's been successful. We click on refresh, and then all the discounts are taken off. Okay, so that is that. Let's recreate them again. So again, you can always filter by department to remove discounts, or you can search for the products one by one. You search for them, you select the selection is very, very important. If you don't select it, it doesn't get affected. Okay, so you search for a product, you select by clicking in the box to check it, and then you click on remove discount, and then the discount is taken off. Okay, so now we are going to look at remove discount and then disable discounts. Okay, the difference between the two. Okay, so removing discount, what it does is it totally removes the discount off our product. Okay, but then to disable discounts means that, so you realize that again, going back to remove discounts, when we removed the discount for these items, the DC status changed to inactive, and then our DC value also changed to 0%. Okay, so let me demonstrate this just in case we missed it. So 20, apply and activate promo. Okay, so we click on refresh. Okay, so everything is active now. It says everything is active now, and our DC value is 20% off, 20% off, 20% off, 20%. Okay, so that. So let's click inside to select these items again. Okay, now we want to remove discounts. When you click on remove discounts, this is what you will notice when you refresh. Okay, so the DC status changes to inactive, and then the DC value also goes back to 0. Okay, so then it means you are able to sell at the original prices without any discount. Okay, so now we are going to look at the difference between that and then disabling discounts. Okay, so again, let's bring back our discount. Let's use fixed. Okay, so we have a feel of all the different discount types. Apply selected items, we click on apply and activate promo, so we refresh. Okay, so now all we want to do is to disable the discounts. Okay, so we click on them. Okay, so now disabling discounts, what it means is that to save you the stress of always having to recreate the discounts over and over again, for disabling discounts, what happens is you are still able to maintain the discount value, but then the discount status becomes inactive. So what it means is that the discount value remains, but then when you sell that particular item, the discount has been disabled, so then the discount will not apply. Okay, but then the discount value would have remained. Okay, so then this helps to save you the stress of having to recreate, especially if the discount value is going to be the same thing. Okay, to always have to create new discount values all the time. Only when you can only change it when, let's say, you want to change the discount value totally. Okay, either reduce it or increase it. But if it's always going to be a certain particular value and its discount type, okay, then disabling discount is the best feature. So let's get back to it. So we've selected these items. We click on disable discount. Okay, so it says it's been successful. When we refresh, so you notice the discount status changes to inactive, but then the discount value remains. Okay, so it means that our discount value hasn't changed, but when we sell these items, it will not get discounted. It will still be sold at their normal retail prices. Okay, so when you have disabled them and then you want to come back and then you want to be able to discount them again, because your DC value has already been set, you just select the items back again. Okay, and then instead of going back to create a whole new thing for it, you just click on activate discount, you click on refresh, and then voila, we have it. Our DC status goes back to active. Okay, so that is all for all the features that we have displayed up here. Okay, so now there's another thing we have to look at. Now it has to do with the scope. Okay, so when you are creating a discount for your items, like I said, there are two scopes that you can look at. You can either apply it to selected items, or you can apply it across the entire inventory. Okay, so let's say we want the entire inventory, okay, to have discount. That means all the item in our shop should be discounted. Okay, so you create your discount. You can either choose again fixed or percentage. Let's say 20. Okay, let me just use 10 because I'm using 20 a lot. So then under scope, we just click on apply to selected items. When you click on that, now instead of selecting apply to selected items, now let's select apply across entire inventory, and then we click on apply and activate promo. Okay, so it says it's successful, so we click on refresh. Okay, so you notice that now let's click on see all. Okay, so every single product has been discounted by 10%. Yeah, yes, every single product. Okay, so you can go through all the pages. You notice that all the products have been discounted by 10%. Okay, so because you are able to create discounts for an entire inventory, you are also able to remove the discount for an entire inventory as well. And then that is also right here below the create discount section. Okay, so now I want to remove all discounts from entire inventory, so we just click on it, and then everything is gone. Everything is gone. You see inactive everywhere. Everything is gone. Okay, so you can this is the first page. You can check out the second page. You realize everything is inactive, and then the DC value is 0%. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the other way to discount items on Keepsales. Okay, so I think this is it. There are more of these videos available. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a great time, and bye bye.